Have you ever wondered why some people seem to stay vibrant, energetic, and sharp well into their 70s or 80s, while others look decades older before their time? The shocking truth is, your cells are aging faster than they should right now, yes, even as you're watching this. Scientists can actually measure it. Under a microscope, they can see the protective caps at the ends of your DNA, called telomeres, shrinking with every stressful thought, skipped meal, or late-night scroll on your phone. Every breath you take, every bite you eat, even every moment of anxiety chips away at these microscopic protectors. 3 Nobel Prize winners have spent decades uncovering the hidden mechanisms of aging and, more importantly, how to slow it down. Their discoveries are transforming the way we think about longevity. Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn discovered the biological clock ticking inside every cell, and how telomeres control the lifespan of your cells. Dr. Yoshinori Osumi showed how your body can literally eat its own damaged components through a process called autophagy, effectively recycling cellular debris to stay young. And Dr. Venkatraman Ramakrishnan revealed why the protein factories inside your cells, ribosomes, are the key to keeping your body functioning efficiently for decades. The mind-blowing part? Everyday foods sitting in your kitchen have the power to communicate with your DNA, telling your cells to repair themselves, stay strong, and fight off age-related disease. The silent killers, how telomeres determine your lifespan. Imagine your DNA strands as shoelaces. At the end of each lace is a plastic tip called an aglet that prevents fraying. Telomeres act the same way for your DNA. Each time your cells divide to replace skin, repair damage, or fight infections, your telomeres shrink a little. Once they get too short, your cells stop functioning properly. They age prematurely. They die. This triggers conditions like heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and cancer, the very diseases that take millions of lives every year. Here's the scary part. Chronic stress accelerates this shrinkage. In one study led by Dr. Blackburn and psychologist Dr. Alyssa Eppel, mothers caring for chronically ill children had telomeres that were biologically 10 years older than their chronological age. The more prolonged the stress, the faster their cellular clocks ran out. But here's the breakthrough. What you eat can protect your telomeres. Research in Lancet Oncology showed that participants who adopted a diet rich in antioxidants, omega-3s, and other specific nutrients boosted their telomerase, the enzyme that rebuilds telomeres, by up to 84% in just 3 months. A 5-year follow-up study revealed that those following this lifestyle actually lengthened their telomeres by 10%, while the control group's telomeres continued to shrink. So what foods can literally fight cellular aging? Let's dive in. Superfoods that guard your DNA. 1. Fatty fish, wild-caught salmon, sardines, mackerel. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, these fats reduce inflammation and are linked to longer telomeres. A study at UCSF followed over 600 heart disease patients for 5 years, and those with the highest omega-3 levels had the slowest telomere shortening. 2. Berries, blueberries, blackberries, strawberries. Rich in anthocyanins, these compounds protect DNA from oxidative damage, a key factor in premature aging. 3. Leafy greens and colorful veggies, spinach, kale, broccoli, bell peppers, loaded with vitamins C, E, and folate, essential for DNA synthesis and repair. Folate, in particular, keeps homocysteine levels in check, a compound linked to shorter telomeres. 4. Whole grains and legumes, oats, quinoa, lentils, chickpeas, high in fiber and B vitamins, these help maintain healthy cellular metabolism. 5. Mushrooms and vitamin D sources, mushrooms, sunlight, and fortified foods. A 2017 study in Journal of Nutrition linked vitamin D levels to longer telomere length. These foods aren't just healthy, they're signals to your cells telling them to repair, protect, and function optimally. Autophagy, the cellular cleanup crew you didn't know you had. Dr. Yoshinori Osumi's Nobel-winning discovery of autophagy is a game-changer. Derived from Greek for self-eating, autophagy is the process where your cells literally digest damaged proteins and organelles to renew themselves. It prevents the buildup of cellular junk that leads to inflammation, disease, and aging. Osumi's experiments in yeast cells in the early 1990s showed that when nutrients were restricted, cells triggered autophagy to survive. This isn't just a yeast phenomenon, it happens in human cells too. Research shows that fasting or time-restricted eating activates autophagy. A 2023 study during Ramadan fasting, where participants fasted 17-19 hours daily for 29 days, found a significant spike in autophagy-related gene activity. The result? Cells were effectively cleaning house and repairing themselves. Other natural triggers include Exercise, moderate aerobic activity, and endurance training stimulate autophagy in muscles and brain tissue. Fasting windows, eating all meals within an 8-10 hour window allows 14-16 hours of fasting, enough for autophagy to kick in. Specific foods, green tea, EGCG, and cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, Brussels sprouts support autophagy pathways. People living in the blue zones, areas with unusually high longevity, often practice regular fasting combined with nutrient-dense diets. Take Icaria, Greece. Residents observe about 150 days of fasting yearly and consume Mediterranean diets rich in vegetables, olive oil, and legumes. They live past 100 at rates far higher than the global average. Ribosomes, your body's protein factories. Dr. Venkatraman Ramakrishnan's Nobel Prize work revealed the atomic structure of ribosomes, the tiny cellular factories that produce every protein your body needs, from repairing tissue to fighting infection. Healthy ribosomes ensure your body functions efficiently, keeps tissues strong, supports immunity, and slows age-related decline. Here's the exciting part: ribosome function can be optimized through nutrition and lifestyle. High-quality protein, eggs, wild-caught fish, grass-fed meat, hemp seeds, spirulina. The amino acids from these foods provide the raw materials your ribosomes need. But quantity matters. Moderate intake 0.81 g per kg body weight is ideal. Too much protein can stress cellular machinery. Magnesium, essential for ribosome activity. Pumpkin seeds, almonds, spinach, and dark chocolate are excellent sources. Just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds can supply nearly half your daily magnesium needs. B vitamins, leafy greens, avocados, legumes provide folate and B vitamins for ribosomal RNA production. Studies on caloric restriction suggest that moderate reductions in calories reduce the metabolic burden of ribosome production, allowing cells to allocate resources toward repair. Adequate sleep, 7-8 hours per night, and resistance training further enhance ribosome efficiency. Putting it all together, a daily eating and lifestyle plan for longevity. Here, how to combine the discoveries of 3 Nobel laureates into a practical routine that supports DNA integrity, autophagy, and ribosome function. Morning meals noon 1 p.m. 2 eggs with sautéed spinach and tomatoes. Handful of blueberries. Green tea. Midday meal 3-4 p.m. Large salad with mixed greens, colorful veggies, chickpeas, pumpkin seeds, olive oil, lemon. Side of quinoa or brown rice. Evening meal 6-7 p.m. Wild-caught salmon 2-3 times weekly or other fatty fish. Steamed broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Sweet potato or lentils. Snacks if needed. Walnuts and berries. Dark chocolate 70% plus. Sliced vegetables with hummus. Key lifestyle practices. Finish eating by 8 p.m. to allow a 16-hour fasting window for autophagy. Drink water, black coffee, or green tea during fasting. 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days. Stress management through meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Maintain strong social connections. Supportive relationships are linked to longer telomeres. This isn't about following a perfect regimen. Start small, add more colorful vegetables, try time-restricted eating a few days a week, or include fatty fish twice weekly. Your cells will respond positively to even incremental changes. The bottom line, you already have the power to fight aging. Your body isn't helpless against time. 3 Nobel Prize-winning discoveries reveal that you already possess systems to 1. Protect your DNA telomeres through nutrient-rich foods and stress reduction. 2. Clean damaged cells autophagy through fasting, exercise, and certain compounds. 3. Maintain protein factories, ribosomes with high-quality nutrition, sleep, and resistance training. The diseases that kill most people, heart disease, Alzheimer's, diabetes, cancer, are closely linked to telomere shortening, lack of autophagy, and declining ribosome function. By supporting these cellular processes, you're not chasing a magic pill, you're giving your body the fuel, rest, and structure it needs to repair itself, stay strong, and age gracefully. Every meal, every movement, every moment of mindfulness sends a signal to your cells. Repair, protect, thrive. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your future self thanks you for the choices you make today.